the real style is here.
What? You got the OPPO K10 5G? Are you ready?
Absolutely, let's do this. Wow, isn't this absolutely magnificent?
Look at the color and the texture. It really looks like some premium fashion accessory. We've got a blazing 5G and a Mediatek Dimensity 810 processor to make sure you get high performance without any battery drain. And the 33-watt Super Whoop charging will get your phone to charge from 0 to 60 in no time. Whoop!
New OPPO K10 5G comes with a 8 GB RAM and a 128 GB storage. Plus, it comes with an expandable 5 GB RAM and its 48 megapixel camera. So we can easily say that the OPPO K10 5G is the perfect combination of speed, practicality and style.
Indeed.
The OPPO K10 5G, it's coming. Go and grab yours.